So in this video I will talk about Myro coin, and here you can see first I will show you some market with where you can exchange Myro coin. Okay, if you want to exchange Myro coin you can exchange Myro coin in this platform like KuCoin, Bybit, MEXC. In this platform this Myro coin are available. Now let me show you some technical analysis also related to Myro coin in TradingView. And if I show related to this, so according to some technical analysis, for now it's better to sell rather than buy. So just a second, let me show you technical also, so you can get to understand more know about it. I am showing a technical analysis of 1 day, and here you can see that the RSI is 14. Now let me make you understand this. If RSI is above 70, then we can say that it will be said as strongly bought, means it's better to buy. Okay, if RSI is below 30, okay, if RSI is below 30, if it's in 14 or 15, then its indication is that it's better to sell. But investment in any crypto or buying selling of any crypto, it depends upon you. I am just saying according to the technical analysis of Myro coin. With this, if I talk about momentum also, I also intend, so it's for now it's better to sell according to the 1 day chart. But if I want to see a chart of last 30 minutes, what last 30 minutes say, but if I see a chart of last 30 minutes, so according to last 30 minutes it's better to buy. But again, if I see a related RSI, but according to RSI it's better to sell. So see, like this I can say that 70% it's better to sell and 30% it's better to buy. Okay, so it's upon you, but before investment do a proper crypto market research. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video.